So, a quick tutorial about how to use our language channels, right? So, so very much this tutorial is going to be very simple. I'm gonna do a tutorial about how to use liquid charts. Then we'll go from there. Um, Pretty much, this is how the pretty much this is how your screen is going to look. Okay, this is your chart. Okay. Now, right here on the top, you're gonna have the balance of your account, the equity you have, the profit and loss, okay? Margin, market level, etc. Here you should between the accounts you already have in the broker, okay? Now, right here to your right-hand side, you can log out or do other stuff. Then here at the bottom, anything that you have open is gonna show up right here, okay? Also, right here in this little search bar, you can put whatever you want to search for. Let's just say you want to do Bitcoin, BTC, USD. Okay, so there you go. You can find it right there. Well, right now this is BTC, USD. Okay, if you want to trade, you can trade it, whatever the case may be. Here you could also customize and create a different list. You could create your list, and then you can put I'm gonna put my name. So I'm just gonna create my own list account. I'm done. So that's right there. I'm gonna start adding everything that I'm gonna start adding stuff that I create, right? So let's add USA. Let's add gold. Let's also add UPY. Let's add NAS 100. That's pretty much what I'm trading at the moment right now. So now, if you want to do, if you want to use the chart itself, which you could, if you want to use the chart itself to do your analysis, you could. It's just pretty much almost like trading views, right? So you could do right here on the top. Yeah, so right here until you got drawn, so you got trend lines from there, so you could draw a trend line, put it, whatever you like. You could log it if you want to also. You could grab and extend that line, which you grab from one end to another, and then it keeps going to both sides. You could also grab over here price line, so you can put whatever the price you like, You could also do, you got many things here. You got trend channels, you got raise timelines, you can do a rectangle. A lot of people use this to draw support and resistance levels. You can also do that. So you got many things, right? So you have your right here to your left hand side, you can put your list, you customize your own list. So you don't have to go back and forth. So that way, once you put it, you click on it, and once you put it right here, you could right here be sharp when it opens up a new chart. You want to have different ones, stuff like that, right? Mine is already set up like this, but if you want to like normally once you log in, it's gonna look like this one right here, right? I don't have to have too many charts. I want to trade one asset at a time, so I want to keep one. But if you want to have it just like this, how I have it, very simple. You're gonna click on your chart on the settings right here on top, right? You're gonna go to where it says colors, and then you can change colors right there. Just change colors right there for your background. Why, whatever you like. Okay, that's up to you. You can change the color of your of the scales. You can change the colors of your you can change the color of the canvas itself. You can do whatever you like in this and in this block. It's really good. I like it a lot, to be honest. If let's just say I want to trade, I'm gonna put right here BTC. I'm gonna put BTC so you guys can see BTC. I'm gonna put it right here. I'm gonna open gonna open a position or something. I'm gonna pull your chart. I'm gonna close this one on me already. I'm just gonna leave it to see for now. So I'm happy to see right here up. We change the time frame that you're seeing right here. I go 4 hours. And I'm not gonna put it because I'm not gonna trade this, but I'm gonna see, let's just say I wanna do a sell right here. So if I do a sell, it's gonna open this window, right? In this window, you can do protection orders, which is something that I really like about this platform. Go protection orders, you can do your stops, right? So let's just say I want to set it at that price and I want to protect my order at 86,550, right? I will automatically know exactly how much I'm risking. So you see it said right here, I'm risking 15,000 pips, right? And my project loss could be $15. Of course, I'm going on 0.01, right? But also if you take profit and they say you're going to do 80, whatever, 80,000, then you know your projected profit is about $50. Awesome, right? So you know exactly how much you're risking. You could up the loss right here, and then of course those numbers will change. You know, whatever you like. And then you just send order, and that's how you get into the market. Once you are into the market, you're gonna have positions looking just like this in the bottom, right? So the positions, you're gonna have the size, stop loss to take profit, position ID, the fill price that you actually got in, and the current price that it is at the moment, okay? Time and everything, and the profit and loss that you are accumulating in that trade. If you have net aggregation, which I put all the time, it means that if you have more positions, it's gonna show you the profit and loss for all position and then the position from the bottom, right? If you want to close the position or close many positions at a time, you can just click on the position. I can't click it right now because the market is slow. You can click it, and it's gonna pop up a window telling you, hey, you're gonna close the position. This is how much you're gonna win and how much you're gonna lose. And you click it, and that's it. Position. It's a very simple platform. I like it a lot. This is it. This is a quick tutorial about it. You can use it. Let me know what you guys think. You could put a like in the video. You can please share this video with somebody else that needs it. And let's try, guys. You can join the community also on Telegram. We have classes in English, we have classes in Spanish. We're going to be trading like a couple of days a week. We're going to show you exactly what real trading is, okay? We're going to pull the portions of everything. We're going to tell you what trading is. Go ahead and join this broker. It's an amazing broker. It has great spreads. And you see right here, you can add it. It's in the day, you can add it to the spread of Bitcoin. It's crazy. I'm not going to find and see something, but you see that the spread is so close, you don't even see it. So that's something really good that you are going to have whenever you're trading any assets out there. Any asset that you're trading with any broker, you really want to be with a broker that has really good spreads for you. Because the bigger the spreads, the worse it is for the trade. Okay. If you have a broker that's giving you great spreads, great pricing, great execution, great withdrawals, you should go with that broker. Okay. So I'm gonna leave the link in the broker at the bottom, which so everybody could join. And let's go get this money, guys. Let's go.